I've got the Fun Cub out here today, and it's going to be the first time that I've flown this with flaps on it. So yeah, I'm curious to see how well that's going to improve the slow flight landing and takeoff capability of this plane. All right, so let's point it into the wind and launching. Alright, let's see if we can slow it down a little bit. This plane is a beauty. Alright, so I want to put in half flap. Come through here with half flap engaged. Alright, it seems to be just descending ever so slightly. So I think that the amount of down angle on the elevator looks a little good. I like to be able to put a little back pressure on the elevator, bringing it in. Okay, so let's come through here, and then we'll put in full flap. Alright, so now we've got full flap in, and again, it looks like the amount of down elevator I've got in it, I think, is going to work out just fine. Bring it through here, see what it looks like. Yeah, I can see the flaps are engaged. Let's bring it back around. Yeah, I think that's going to work out pretty well. I just wanted to do a touch and go with it. This is a really good airframe. Okay, so let's put it into, let's disengage flaps. Alright, so flaps should be disengaged, and then we'll put it into gyro mode. Everything looks nice and smooth. Alright, so really good power on this Fun Cub. It's a really nice, stable, floaty airframe, but it's also, if you've got a decent power system on it, it's a very aerobatic bush plane. Hammerhead. Alright, let's not fly into the sun. Alright, so I posted about, this was a kit. I posted about this kit on our Facebook page. I don't know, I think it's only been a couple weeks. I had this kit on sale. I think it was like $52.99. It's a 1.1 meter wingspan. It is an awesome, look at that. That is an awesome handling. Good sized bush plane. I've got 2212 1400 kV motor on it. I've got a 9x45 two blade ABS prop. I've got, let me see, 1, 2, 6 9-gram servos. I think what I have in it is I think I have a Hobby Wing 30 amp ESC in it. That has a 5 volt, I think either a 3 amp or a 5 amp back in it. What a great handling little bush plane. Is that fantastic? I hope that some of you picked up that kit when it was on sale. If not, I think you can still get the kit for less than 60 bucks. So I think it's a pretty good price for what you get. Alright, so let's deploy our flaps. Alright, we got our flaps deployed. Get a long run here. And I've got a Hobby Eagle gyro in it. This is the first plane I've ever had a Hobby Eagle gyro in. There we go. What a great handling plane. Absolutely awesome. Alright, so test flight with the flaps. First time it's had flaps. It seems like everything is working really well. That's a wrap on this episode. I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.